Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to download offline maps in Windows 11. So for this case we have to go to the search options here and we have to write the offline maps. See here the offline maps, so click here. We want the download, so click here, download the maps. So what we want the Asia map is as because Bangladesh I lived in, that's why I download this. So click here, it is downloading. It requires more time, few time hopefully. So I have completed this downloaded option, that means the maps one downloaded maps for. So if we click here, see the Bangladesh Asia 73.8 MB thing has been downloaded. That means the offline maps has been downloaded. So in this way we can download offline maps. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.